Hey cruisers, welcome to cabin R230 on Discovery Princess. This is a mini suite on Riviera deck. Situated on the left is this big, comfy princess bed. Nightstands are conveniently located on both sides of the bed, and each has convenient built-in USB charging. The seating area also has a large couch that can convert into a bed. And here's a look at that bed made up. There's also more storage on the side of the couch. Now let's take a look at the vanity and desk area. You'll find some handy storage here, some nice drawers, and of course, a mini fridge. Power outlets are located on top of the desk, and there's a hairdryer in the top drawer. There's a second TV in this sitting area as well. Heading back through the room, there's a convenient shelf for grab-and-go type stuff here. On the other side, there's a full-length mirror. Continuing on, we come to the good-sized closet stocked with wooden hangers. This is such a nice touch. There are some nice shelves here, complete with a push-button safe. Moving on to the bathroom, there's some storage below the sink, and glass shelves for more storage on the mirror. Princess also provides these nice amenities. And to the left is the shower and tub area. Let's finish off this tour with a look at the balcony. It's not the biggest, but we sure loved spending time out here. That's it for this one. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you give this video a quick thumbs up. It makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.